Hi guys, welcome back with me, Chow Chow 2025 in Let's Learning Excel. Today we're going to learn about still navigation. This time we're going to hide the scroll bar, whether it is horizontal or vertical, and also the sheet tab. So you could make a menu that easily not to be confused because people still using the sheet tab to navigate and make your navigation useless or even broken because you want people not to access a certain sheet before they access one sheet. So, for example, you want people to access report one and then select an option and then go to report two directly. You don't want people to just access report two immediately. This is how you use this. First, select file and select option and then go to advanced. Just scroll down until you find the display option for this workbook. It only works for this workbook 7. So make sure you select the workbook you want to edit and then just turn it off. Horizontal scroll bar, vertical scroll and sheet tabs. Okay. Then that's gonna be gone and she return to the original state at the same previous step and just activate it again. If you save this document, it's going to apply to everyone that opened this file. Okay, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and see you again in the next episode. Have a nice day.